afternoon. Ano ang pangalan niyo?
Rosalie.
Rosalie Dillon. Struggle nyo during that time na, ayun nga po, na sobrang bagyo na. Then, at the same time, tsaka lang po sinuspend.
Nasira yung shoot ko. So, dami ng student na gustong sumakay sa jeep. Ayun, nagmadali na kaming lahat.
So nagkakaagawan na po?
Oo, nagkakagawa na sa jeep.
Mahirap pumili ng food kasi yung tubig, abot na siya ng hanggang hita. Mahirap lumabas.
So, balita namin na stranded ka daw.
Yes, kasi nagsuspended ang FU ng 6 ng gabi. Mahirap sumakay, labahan ng Espanya.
So, ilang days ka nagstay here?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay, so basically 3 days, 2 nights.
Dalawa.
So, how was it? Yung experience?
Okay naman kasi napakain kami, paligo, kahit papano may ligo. So, ang pangit lang, wala kaming patulog, yung tulog. Kanya-kanyang higa, so mahirap.
Kuya Kev, i-share mo naman kung ano yung naging experience mo ng pagtulong during
Enjoy naman siya kasi syempre medyo mahirap kasi i-risk mo yung sarili mo sa paglusong sa baha. Pwede kang magkasakit, pwede kang magka-leptos. Pero masaya siya kasi fulfilling siya. Nag-provide naman sila. Nagpro-provide ng breakfast, ng merienda, ng lunch, ng dinner.
So saan po kayo nagstay? Nung na-stranded, nung nakasama niyo mga na-stranded?
Una nasa SB kami, tapos lumipat ng hotel lobby ng ITHM, tapos pinakit na kami ng 3rd floor.
When I learned about the
EB.
stranded students at FEU, my first reaction was to be there, and it was a relief because the few student leaders were already there. My problem was to go through the flooded areas. I was thinking about leptospirosis, and the waters along P. Campa and Espana and Moraita were so high that it would discourage anyone in his right senses to go into the campus, except if you have the intention to help and to mind the students who are stranded and care about them genuinely.
May nais ka bang iparating sa FEU admin?
Siyempre, kung mag-a-announce sila, dapat i-advance kasi nahihirapan yung mga students lalo na yung calamity na na-stranded kayo dito for 3 days, diba? Dapat siguro mas agahan pa
Yung suspension. Next time pag umuulan na, kunyari pag nakakaramdam na silang or sa balita, alam na nilang may darating na bagyo o habagat, sana mag-suspend kaagad yung klase kasi kumbaga kasi medyo kakaiba, hindi tulad sa ibang school, mga 12 pa lang ata na-suspend na, pero sa FEU isipin mo 6 PM, di ba? Sana kung ganun pala, sana tinuloy na lang nila yung klase, hindi na nila sinuspend.
Sana maaga silang mag-suspend ng class kasi isipin nila na task nga ng patient. Tapos isipin din nila yung